Comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives, short adjectives. Short adjectives, spelling rules examples. Usually. Plus slow slower. Fast faster. Tall taller. Large larger. Nice nicer. Ending in e. Plus r. Some two-syllable adjectives, especially ending in y. yi. Plus hungry hungrier. Happy happier. Funny funnier. Ending in a vowel plus a consonant. Double the consonant plus big bigger. Fat fatter. Fit fitter. Superlatives, short adjectives. Short adjective spelling rules examples. Plus est. Slow the slowest. Fast the fastest. Tall the tallest. Usually. Ending in e. Plus saint. Large the largest. Nice the nicest. yi. Plus est. Ending in a consonant. Plus y. Hungry the hungriest. Happy the happiest. Funny the funniest. Ending in a vowel. Plus a consonant. Double the consonant plus est. Big the biggest. Fat the fattest. Fit the fittest. Comparatives and superlatives. For example, big bigger the biggest. Fat fatter the fattest. 1 hot. 2 cold. 3 wet. 4 heavy. 5 warm. 6 hungry. Hotter. The hottest. Colder. The coldest. Wetter. The wettest. Heavier. The heaviest. Warmer. The warmest. Hungrier. The hungriest. Comparatives, long adjectives. Use the word more to make the comparative form. Long adjectives examples. Mary is more polite than Cindy. Tom is more helpful than Peter. Most two-syllable adjectives which do not end in y. Candy is more hard-working than Maggie. Joe is more good-looking than Tom. All adjectives of 3 syllables or more. Superlatives, long adjectives. Use the plus most before long adjectives to make the superlative form. The melon is the most expensive fruit. $5, $10, $30. Expensive. Mango. Melon. Coconut. Comparatives and superlatives. Some adjectives have special forms. Adjective comparative superlative. Good. Better. The best. Bad. Worse. The worst. For example, Pauline is a good student. Mary is a better student than her. Cherry is the best student in her class. Cherry.